everyone, we're going to use the Maclaurin series table to obtain the Maclaurin series for f of x equals e to the power of x plus 2 times e to the power of negative x. We're going to use this table, and I'm looking at e to the x here, and I'm going to use this here. I'm going to write it for you so you can see it better. By the way, all of these tables, theorems, and definitions I put on my videos are on my Facebook page if you ever want to get a bigger picture, because I know they're hard to see. So let's just write this out so you can see it. E to the power of x equals the sum of n equals 0 to infinity of x to the power of n divided by n factorial. So we have this one. That's just given. Now let's look at e to the power of, we have 2e to the negative x. So what I can do is take this and write 2e times e to the power of negative x equals, now I'm going to pull this 2 out and write this as the sum, n equals 0 to infinity, and I'm going to substitute negative x in for x. So this is going to be negative x to the power of n divided by n factorial. Simplifying, this gives me 2 times the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the nth power. I'm just pulling out this negative 1 there. And then we have x to the power of n divided by n factorial. Therefore, f of x equals e to the power of x plus 2e times e to the power of negative x equals the sum, n equals 0 to infinity. And now what we have is we have 2. If I put all this together, we're going to get 1 for this one plus 2 times negative 1 to the power of n. This is what I'm doing right there. Divided by n factorial. Both of these have n factorials in them. And then I'm going to pull out, let me just write this a little better. I haven't dealt with the x to the power of n. I can just pull it out here. And this would be a better way of writing it. Alright, so I just combined everything up. Now, for the radius of convergence, since this converges for all reals, that means our radius of convergence is infinity. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.